Good morning all. Myself Bhuvaneshwari, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science, Mrs.V.Bhuvaneshwari College. Today we are going to see conditional statements. In this video lecture we are going to see introduction, types of conditional statements, simple if statement and if else statement. Introduction. In some situations it is necessary to check the condition to make a decision. Okay, this involves performing a logical test which is either true or false. Depending upon the condition, the statements to be executed or determined. This is also known as conditional statement. It involves decision making and branching. Okay, there are different types of conditional statements. If else and switch. Under if else we are having if statement, if else statement, if else if statement and nested if else. First we are going to see in detail about simple if. Simple if statement is used to execute a statement or set of statements conditionally. It is also known as one-way branching. Here we are going to test the logical condition, and if it is true means true block will get executed. If it is false means the control is transferred to the next set of statements which is outside the body of the if. Next we are going to see the syntax and flowchart of a simple if statement. If condition, we are going to test the condition, okay, which is a logical expression. If it is true means if block will get executed. Okay, next we are going to see the flowchart. First we are going to check the condition. If it is true, if block will get executed. If it is false, it will come out of the loop and execute the next set of statement. Example program. We are going to see C program to accept a number, and we are going to check whether it is odd or not. Okay. First we are going to include the header file stdio.h, which means standard input and output. The execution of the C program starts with the main function. Next we are going to declare a variable num as integer. Okay. Next we are going to prompt the user to enter a number, okay, using printf statement. Next we are going to read a number using control string percentage. Since it is an integer data type, we are going to use the percentage %d. Okay. Next we are going to check the condition using if statement. Check if num is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, it is a even number. Okay, here user is going to enter the number 7. We are going to check if 7 modulo 2 is equivalent to 0. When we apply modulo division, we get the remainder 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. So the condition is true and it will print the statement 7 is an odd number. Okay, the output of the program, user enters the number 7. Okay, the program will return 7 is an odd number. Next we are going to see the if else statement. If else statements take into account both true as well as false condition. It is a two-way branching statement. The condition is tested first, and if the result of the test is true, then the statements within if block will get executed. If it is false, then the statements within the else block will get executed. Okay, next we are going to see the syntax. We are going to check the condition. If condition, okay, if the condition is true, if block will get executed. If it is false, else part will get executed. Here if and else are keywords and condition is nothing but a logical expression. Next we are going to see the flowchart. We are going to check the condition first, and if it is true, if body will get executed. If it is false, it will move to the else part, and after executing the if or else block, it will go to the next set of statements. Next we are going to see the sample program to accept two numbers and check whether they are equal or not. Okay, it starts with the header file stdio.h. Next main function where the execution begins. Okay, here we are going to declare two variables x and y. Okay, this program will prompt the user to enter the values of x and y. Using scanf we are going to read the two variables x and y. Next we are going to check whether x is equal to y or not. Okay, here the user enters the values of x and y as 8 and 8. Okay, since 8 is equal to 8, the condition is true and the program will print the statement x and y are equal. Okay, so the output, here the user enters the values of x and y, 8 and 8, it will return x and y are equal. Summary. C provides a variety of conditional statements such as simple if else, if, else if and switch statements. Based on the test condition, the statements will be executed. They are also known as decision making statements.